Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another garden tour. A lot has changed and fall is coming and I'm so not ready for it. Let's just get right into the video. Right here I have all my tomatoes. They're still doing pretty well. I'm noticing some disease and everything on it. But there is a lot of ripe tomatoes. So yeah, there's a lot of ripe tomatoes in here, which is awesome. I have to make another batch of sauce or salsa today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick some of the cherries, some of the ripe ones in here. But yeah, they're starting to get hit with some blight, and also we have some whitefly damage that unfortunately came in off of an indoor plant. So there's some disgusting white flies, which is where this is all from. Over here we have the basil, still going strong, but we have these little lettuce babies that have come up that look really good. This one. Another one over there. There's some stuff popping up. Our little cherry tree is recovering slowly. It got hit by some powdery mildew, so I've been taking pretty good care of it, pruning it and making sure that it doesn't spread anymore, trying to reduce it. Just behind me here, we have all the peppers. They're doing so well. The hot peppers have taken off. We have an awesome Tabasco plant that I'm going to show you that is like completely gone wild. And we also have some sweet peppers. So there's many of these Tabasco peppers that look beautiful, and they're all in there ripening up. There is another beautiful sun-bright bell pepper. There's another ripe pepper there, some serranos over here. We also have some of these guys ripening. So these are supposedly sweet, a sweet snacking pepper. So these are supposedly a very sweet snacking pepper, and they don't look it. They look kind of like one of those ghost peppers. And when I tried them when they were green, they were really bitter. Not really spicy, but like pretty bitter. So I'm gonna try one now on camera. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth off, but okay, yeah. So they look like they're a spicy pepper, but they are sweet. Exactly like a bell pepper, actually. These are pretty good, so either way, it's a win. They were just kind of grown for the fact that like you can't find them in a grocery store, and they just look really cool. I got so much more to show you. If you guys are enjoying this content, subscribe and leave a like down below. Really helps me out in the algorithm. So the corn here is completely done. I'm actually just slacking on pulling it out right now. But yeah, and this sunflower, we actually harvested the sunflower and kept some seeds for next year. But yeah, so I need to remove all of this stuff and replant with some extra. So just in here, we have those carrots we planted. There's some little ones poking up here and there. I threw down some more seeds because I just don't think the germination was great on the seed packet. I put down some more carrot seeds over here, and you can see them start coming up here, which is fantastic. Hopefully we'll get some carrots before the frost comes. The barley back here is doing really good. My onion chives look pretty good. They're all flowering, which I let the pollinators enjoy these guys. So just above me here are all the beans. I left quite a few on to dry so that we could shell them together, and I can show you how I save beans for next year's garden. So the mint is doing really well. It's still like flowering. It's towards the end of the season, but that's alright. I don't need any more mint, so I put in some different types of beets, spring rapini, and then these green little shoots are more barley. The oregano is wild. The basil's gone crazy. Just in here I have some of my fall vegetables. I have some beets that are growing really well in here. Some of them were planted too close together, so I just have to thin them out. But everything is looking pretty good. There's some rapini, and there's also, which I'm really excited to see, some pea shoots that I'm seeing. So that means we will have some peas. And there's another one over there. So I'm hoping more come up. Fingers crossed. But the germination on these have not been great. Basil's still going crazy. I also have this white Casper eggplant that I haven't really been showing in the videos, and honestly I don't know why. But these are absolutely massive, and they're still flowering, they're still coming off more. Although like I'm not a huge fan of eggplant, I really actually do enjoy it on the barbecue with some garlic and salt. So those Casper eggplants will definitely be enjoyed. It's kind of like the in-between season for the garden. The summer garden is ending and the fall garden is beginning. So there's not too much to see, but hopefully in the next garden tour there'll be so much more. I'm really looking forward to some beets and some carrots. This garden will most likely look pretty different in the next garden tour. We definitely need to remove all the dead plants. But yes, so thank you so much for watching. I just want to remind all of you that watch my videos, if you're not already, subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you, and it helps me out a lot when you subscribe and like the video. See you guys next time. Bye.